Understanding Deadlocked, Navigating Stalemates in English. Hello, English learners and enthusiasts around the world. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning of a phrase that you might have heard in movies, news, or maybe in a business meeting: deadlocked. It's not just about being stuck in traffic. So, if you've ever wondered what it means and how you can use it in a sentence, stick around as we break it down for you. Remember, getting to know these phrases can make your English sound more fluent and natural. Let's dive into the world of deadlocks and how they fit into our everyday language. The term deadlocked refers to a situation where progress is impossible because the parties involved cannot agree or because they are equally matched and cannot overpower the other. The word itself paints quite a picture. Dead, implying a complete stop, and lock, indicating that something is secured and unable to move. It's used in various contexts, from politics to personal negotiations. Imagine two people holding keys to the same lock, and both need to turn their key for the lock to open. If one refuses, they're at a deadlock. They could stand there forever, and without movement from both sides, there's just no way forward. That's what being deadlocked is all about. Now, let's put deadlocked into context. This phrase is especially popular in formal settings like legal disputes, business negotiations, political discussions, and even in more casual scenarios where a disagreement leads to a standstill. In law, a jury that can't reach a unanimous decision is said to be deadlocked, which can result in a mistrial. In politics, when two parties cannot come to an agreement on legislation, they are in a deadlock, potentially leading to a government shutdown. In everyday life, if you and a friend can't decide where to eat for dinner and neither of you will budge, you're deadlocked. We'll also explore idiomatic expressions that use deadlock and how understanding these expressions can give you leverage in English conversations. Now that you're familiar with the meaning, let's practice using deadlocked in some example sentences. The negotiation between the union and management is deadlocked after 3 rounds of discussions. After hours of debate, the committee remained deadlocked, and no decision was made. The chess championship was deadlocked for hours with neither side gaining an advantage. When you start using deadlocked in sentences, remember that it often conveys a sense of frustration or a need for a compromise or a new approach to resolve the impasse. I hope this video has illuminated the phrase deadlocked for you. Knowing terms like this is crucial for understanding news reports, following political discussions, and expressing complex situations in your own conversations. So next time you find yourself in a conversation where no one is willing to give in, you've got the perfect word to describe the situation. Keep practicing, keep learning, and never let your language skills be deadlocked. Until our next lesson, happy learning, and see you soon.